Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2018 Ram 3500 SLT Crew Cab. Under the hood we have a 6.7 liter i6 Cummins turbo diesel engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in granite, looks fantastic. You do have the chrome up front there on the grille with your halogen headlights and your fog lights. You got the chrome bumper and your tow hooks there. Coming around the side here we do have our 18-inch rims with our winter tires on them. They look fantastic, nice and shiny. You do also have your heated exterior tow mirrors right here with the turning signals, so you just got to lift it up like that and then you can see even farther back. You also have your running boards just along the bottom there helping you up. You do also have an 8-foot box back here, looks great. You have the 4x4 badging as well as the SLT. You have your chrome bumper back here as well with the parking sensors. And then you do have your backup camera right there. Open this guy up. Tons of room back here. 8-foot box as I said, and it does have the box liner, so nothing will be getting scratched up. Okay, got our keys here. 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock. We got our panic button and our remote start there. But let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all here. Handle here. Some storage and more down there. Looks great in here. Very spacious, very nice. The cloth seats are very comfortable as well. You have this guy here that controls your seats, so backward, forward, tilt, and lumbar support. And then over here we do have the controls over our lights, so auto, off, daytime running lights, and low beams, as well as fog lights there, and in-cabin light control here. And then right up here we got the controls over the turning signals, windshield wipers, and high beams. Okay, let's start her up. Key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and engine temperature. It does tell us that we need some fuel as well, right there. Now we can switch that guy around in the middle. Right now it does tell us our kilometers, as well as the temperature outside and which way we're facing, but we can switch that around to our vehicle info, fuel economy, trip A and B, as well as the messages, screen setup, and you can turn the menu off as well. That is control from right here with your Bluetooth options, horn in the center, and cruise control options right there. Gear shift is right here as well, and when you are in reverse, just like that, you do have that ever useful backup camera keeping you nice and safe. Now in the center you do have your AM, FM, and Sirius XM all in there, as well as you do have your media tab right here if you have one hooked up through your USB, aux cord, or Bluetooth. Phone options here, you have your compass right over there, settings, and your more options. Volume up and down, as well as the mute, screen off, back button, and your tuner and browser. And right over here we do have the controls over the 2-wheel, 4-wheel lock, and 4-wheel low, as well as the neutral. And then we got our climate control over here, so the power up and down with the circulation, hazard lights, temperature control with the AC. And you do also have where it's going to blow out of there. Down here we got our traction control, tow and haul mode, exhaust brakes, and our parking sensors. Some storage right there, some storage down here. Then you do have 3 cup holders with your armrest. It doubles as a storage container. Coin holders here, 2 USB plugins, as well as an aux cord right there. Then you can lift this guy up. Got some storage underneath there. It does seat 6 people all together. As well, you can lift that guy up, and there is a little bit of storage underneath there. Top and bottom layers for your glove boxes. Tons and tons of room in there. And up top, you do have the control over the little window in the back. Let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door, you do have that same chrome accenting on the handle. Control over your windows. Handle here, storage, and some more down there. Looks great in here. Very spacious as well. You can sit all six people. Lots and lots of room. You can fold this guy down if you didn't need the one in the middle, and you do have an armrest with some cup holders. As well, you can fold the seats up, and you do have some storage underneath there. You can also fold these down like this. You do have a flat surface to put stuff on top of. And then underneath the floor mats here, you do have a little bit of storage. And there's our 6.7 liter i6 Cummins turbo diesel engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video, the 2018 Ram 3500 SLT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.